When I stepped into BDS first year after giving NEET, मुझे लगा था सब सिंपल है, बट डे 1 के बाद ही समझ आ गया कुछ भी क्लियर नहीं है। क्या बुक्स लेनी है, क्या इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स होते हैं, डाइसेक्शन हॉल में क्या होता है, वाइवा कैसे होगा। नो वन टोल्ड अस दीज थिंग्स। सब कहते थे मैनेज हो जाएगा, बट कैसे, कभी किसी ने क्लियरली बताया ही नहीं। सो इफ़ यू आर अबाउट टू एंटर डेंटल कॉलेज और फर्स्ट ईयर अभी अभी स्टार्ट होने वाला है, दिस वीडियो इज़ फॉर यू। मैं तुम्हें वो सब बताऊंगी जो मुझे किसी ने नहीं बताया। वॉट यू एक्चुअली नीड, वॉट यू शुड मेंटली प्रिपेयर फॉर एंड वॉट नो वन वॉन्ट्स यू अबाउट। आई हैव बिन देयर एंड दैट्स वाई आई मेड दिस वीडियो टू बी द सीनियर आई विश आई हैड when I entered first year. And yeah, those who know me, good. And those who don't know me, let me introduce myself. I am Ishita Sharma, currently a BDS second year student, although मेरे exams चल रहे हैं. So yeah, second year खत्म होने वाला है. And guys, subscribe please. Okay. So today I am sharing the real essentials for BDS first year. Not just what to buy, but what you should know to actually survive, thrive, and even enjoy this journey. So whether you are feeling excited, nervous, or totally clueless, welcome. This video is your personal guide to BDS first year. Okay, so now let's start. What instruments you really need in first year? So सबसे पहला जो question everyone ask is कि stethoscope क्या हम use करते हैं as a BDS student? So let me guide you. Stethoscope is very important. Apart from looking super aesthetic in photos, the stethoscope is actually one of the most important tools for us in BDS. We don't just wear it for the vibe. We use it to check blood pressure, pulse, and overall health before dental treatments. Next, the BB machine or sphygmomanometer. You'll need this for recording blood pressure during physiology and preclinical checkups. It pairs with your stethoscope and makes you feel like a pro. BP machine, you don't need to buy it. Most probably you'll get from your lab. Stethoscope is your personal choice. Part I have told you in many videos as well कि carving क्या होती है. So see, the instrument you require for carving are a carver, ruler, that is usually metallic ruler, divider, and all these basic instruments. Wax blocks, you'll carve all your teeth on the wax blocks. Macintosh sheet. So basically it's a waterproof sheet to protect your clothes and the table during practicals. So you'll need this in your PCP, that is preclinical prosthodontist as well. So trust me, it saves you from a lot of mess. And like in first year you have anatomy. So practical mein you do dissection and you go through the human anatomy, skull, bones, everything. So you'll be appreciating depression, sulcus, canals, everything related to skull. So it's your personal choice whether you want to buy a bone set or not. But as BDS student, we mostly deal with upper body part majorly, although we need to study everything, but upper body part is the most important thing. So yeah, in the like you can buy a skull if you want. For PCP, you need, as I told you earlier, Macintosh sheet, plaster of Paris, that is POP, dental stone, bowls and spatulas. Then the instrument you need in your PCP that will be important for like your till 4th year is micromotor. So this micromotor is little expensive, although in first year there is not much of its use. It depends. So you can borrow it from your seniors for the first year, or I would suggest you should buy it because you need it in your second year, third year, fourth year. So it's better to buy for yourself. So guys, you need so many things. I don't want to scare you, but see, you need to buy so many things in BDS. So basically, invest in your personal items, stethoscope, carvers, measuring tools, micromotor, because you will use them all the time. For the rest, check your college lab or ask your seniors first. Most of it can be borrowed or shared, at least in the beginning. This will save your money and also stop you from buying unnecessary stuff that ends up unused in your drawer. Trust me, seniors know the drill. And yeah, the dress code. So basically, सारे colleges में you need to wear white coat. That's mandatory. White lab coat or apron. You need to wear that. And in some colleges you also wear scrubs. Like in my college we wear scrubs as well as lab coats. So yeah, it's our like choice. Or in the practical classes we wear the scrubs, in lectures we wear lab coats. So it's up to your college. And yeah, in some colleges they are strict, they say to wear like traditional Indian dresses, so you need to check that. In my college we can wear anything. ओके सो द एडवाइस आई वांट टू गिव टू यू इज़, पहले दिन से नोट्स बनाना स्टार्ट करो. फर्स्ट ईयर में सिलेबस स्केरी लगता है बट मैनेजेबल है अगर तुम कंसिस्टेंट रहोगे. सो यू नीड so many books in first year as you have subjects like anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, dental anatomy, although you also have another subject dental materials. Okay, so in my this video I have mentioned all the books you need, क्या चीज़ कैसे पढ़नी है, what subjects में क्या, किस subjects में क्या क्या होता है, everything. So go and watch this video. So now this part no book will tell you, but it matters more than any syllabus. Truth about first year is like you feel overwhelmed and that's okay. Comparison will kill your peace. So don't compare with MBBS or anyone. Discipline is more important than intelligence. Don't chase marks, chase understanding. Stay early, don't wait for internals. Sleep, hydrate, eat well. You are not just becoming a dental student, you are becoming a doctor. Doctor don't just memorize, they observe, they reflect, they save. If you are moving away from home, here's your survival list. You need bed sheets, pillow, buckets, mug, laundry bag. So that extension boards, lifesaver, lock-in keys, medicine, basic cold, period pain, skin care, and yeah, other things. And oral care kit, toothbrush, tongue cleaner and small mirrors, power bank, earphones. Hostel life will test you, but it also makes you independent. Pack like you are caring for your future self. So like if I could go back to first year Ishita and give her like 5 pieces of advice, so the advice would be, it's okay to not know everything. Start with curiosity. Don't be afraid of vivas. Teachers are human too. Learn to sketch, especially anatomy diagrams. जिसमें like you need to draw so many diagrams, बहुत ज़्यादा. Speak up in class. Ask, participate, show interest, make memories. First year comes only once. So you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be present, prepared, and passionate. So see, dentistry is beautiful and so is your journey. If you are a first year BDS student, comment your biggest doubt below. Let's build a small supportive dental community together. And yeah, don't forget to brush your teeth and stay blushed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.